All right, so this time they want to know the sum of C and D, right? So they want you to add those two angles together. So C and D, those are corresponding. That means they are congruent. So I'm just going to work with those. I'm going to set them equal to each other. 8x plus 19 equals 12x plus 3. I'm going to get my x's on the same side. I'm going to choose the smaller one and subtract it on both sides. Oops. So I just have a 19 over here, and I have a 4x plus 3 over here. I need to get rid of this 3. So now I have 16 equals 4x. Isolate my variable. X is 4. That's not the question. I need to figure out one of the angles, so I'll start with D. And it says 12x, but I know what x is. So 12, x is 4, and then add a 3. So that's 48 plus 3. So angle D is 51 degrees. And then angle C, since they're corresponding, it's also 51 degrees. I don't have to do the math, so I'm not going to. And that's it. That's a lie. That's not it. They want the sum. So I need to add those angles together. 51 plus 51 is 102. So that's the answer. I'll write my answer in a sentence since it's a word problem. The sum of angle D and angle C is 102 degrees. Now we're done.